Hey, here in Bicol, chismosa is always active. You know why? Because chismosa is always sausaw in your life. Like this. Uy, Madi, badus na da si akin ni Christine duman sa cruising. Tara, nabadus na. Siyempre, mababadus talaga to. Tali po itong pirmi ang short. Tapos pirmi may kaibang lalaki. Tara, badus na. Yang, giprad baga. Oh, see? Chismosa is always active in your story, in your Facebook account, social media account, and all. Active in your personal life in the world. Here, Bicol is most popular in the chismis. Yeah, it's nice English, man. Chismosa is not normal people in the world. If you buy a car, cell phone, what else never die? In your life, chismis is always active here in Bicol. No. English is not nice. Me and you, yes, it's not only you, is a big biktima of chismis in the world. Sorry for my English because my dila is natapilok. Never mind. Kaya kung palagi kang chinichismis, it's alright, it's okay. Don't worry, motherfucker. Because chismosa is normally in life, in your probability and forever, never know, never die, never say die again. If you are victim of chismosa is virus. Me and you, yes, you is a big